Is your gym routine causing more harm? Hitting the gym is often seen as the ultimate path to health, strength, and confidence. But what if your workout routine is actually doing more harm than good? While regular exercise offers undeniable benefits, many people unknowingly make mistakes in the gym that can lead to injuries, burnout, or even long-term health problems. Understanding how your gym habits could be hurting you is the first step to creating a safer, more effective fitness journey. Overtraining. The silent saboteur. One of the most common mistakes is overtraining. When you're highly motivated, it's easy to believe that more workouts mean faster results. However, muscles grow and repair during rest, not during exercise itself. Constantly pushing your body without giving it time to recover can lead to fatigue, weakened immune function, and serious injuries like stress fractures or tendinitis. If you're feeling consistently sore, tired, or irritable, or if your performance is declining despite regular training, your body might be crying out for a break, ignoring proper form. Another major issue is poor exercise form. Many gym-goers prioritize lifting heavier weights or completing more reps over maintaining proper technique. Unfortunately, bad form doesn't just make exercises less effective, it significantly raises the risk of injury. A single bad deadlift or squat can cause long-term damage to your back, knees, or shoulders. Working with a personal trainer, even briefly, to master your form can make a massive difference in both your results and your safety. Neglecting mobility and flexibility. Modern gym routines often focus heavily on strength and cardio, while neglecting mobility and flexibility. Tight hips, stiff shoulders, and a rigid lower back can all lead to poor posture and limit your athletic performance. Worse, they set the stage for future injuries. Incorporating stretching, yoga, or dynamic mobility exercises into your routine helps maintain a balanced, functional body. Chronic cardio and stress. Some people rely heavily on long, intense cardio sessions, believing it's the best way to lose weight or stay fit. However, excessive cardio can elevate stress hormones like cortisol, leading to fatigue, muscle loss, and even fat gain over time. Balance is key. Strength training, short interval sessions, and adequate rest are all crucial parts of a well-rounded fitness plan. Listening to your body. Ultimately, the biggest danger in any gym routine is ignoring your body's signals. Pushing through sharp pain, extreme fatigue, or persistent injuries doesn't make you stronger. It puts you on the fast track to long-term damage. Listening to your body means understanding the difference between healthy effort and harmful strain. Building a smarter routine. A gym routine should support your health, not sabotage it. To protect yourself, focus on consistency over intensity. Prioritize good form. Include rest and recovery days, and embrace a holistic approach that. Like, subscribe, follow for your free back pain relief ebook.